Welcome to Speed Zone. Today we're diving into a masterpiece of engineering, extravagance, and performance, the 2026 Lamborghini Motorhome. This isn't just a motorhome. It's an automotive revolution that blends Lamborghini's DNA with the freedom of the open road. Forget everything you thought you knew about RVs, because this beast changes the game completely. From the outside, the 2026 Lamborghini Motorhome looks nothing like a conventional camper. It's aggressive, aerodynamic, and unapologetically Lamborghini. At first glance, the signature Y-shaped LED headlights capture your attention, borrowed straight from the marque's supercar design language. The sharp angular lines, the sculpted bodywork, and the massive front intakes all scream performance. Finished in Lamborghini's classic colors like Verde Mantis, Arancio Borealis, and Nero Noctis, it stands tall with a low-slung supercar soul. This motorhome sits on a carbon titanium hybrid chassis, developed exclusively to keep weight down, while maintaining superior rigidity. The front fascia features active aero elements, while the side panels are smooth, seamless, and finished with carbon fiber accents. It rides on custom-forged 24-inch wheels, fitted with Pirelli Scorpion tires tailored for both road grip and luxury ride quality. The large panoramic windows aren't just functional, they're part of the design itself, integrated to provide a stealth jet-like silhouette on wheels. Move to the rear, and it's equally dramatic. A full-width LED taillight bar connects the back with a floating spoiler integrated above. Twin exhausts finished in brushed titanium give it a bold presence, while the lower diffuser hints at the serious performance capability hidden beneath. This isn't just an RV, it's a Lamborghini through and through. Step inside, and the story of luxury continues. The interior is designed by Lamborghini's Ad Personam division, allowing full customization with Alcantara, carbon fiber, and premium Italian leather. The cockpit features a race-inspired steering wheel, digital cluster, and heads-up display that merges supercar technology with long-haul comfort. The dash includes high-res OLED screens and intuitive controls that blend elegance with Lamborghini's tech-forward approach. Behind the cockpit, the motorhome opens into a luxurious mobile suite. There's a queen-sized bed with ambient lighting, a walk-in shower with carbon fiber fixtures, and a compact yet stunning kitchen equipped with smart appliances. Every surface from the counters to the cabinetry is detailed in forged composite, giving it that high-performance flair even in the most domestic of spaces. Smart glass privacy windows, adaptive lighting, and voice command integration make the interior feel like a futuristic lounge. Now, let's talk about performance. This is where Lamborghini flips the script entirely. Under the hood, or rather, beneath the floor, is a hybrid powertrain based on the Aventador successor's V12 engine, paired with an electric motor. Together, they produce a jaw-dropping 1,000 horsepower. This isn't just a number, it translates to 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 4.5 seconds, an insane figure for something this size. Top speed? An electronically limited 155 miles per hour. Yes, a motorhome that can overtake sports cars on the Autobahn. It comes with Lamborghini's advanced all-wheel drive system, adaptive air suspension, and rear-wheel steering, offering unmatched road handling and ride comfort. The vehicle's dynamics are controlled through a drive mode selector with options like Strada, Sport, Corsa, and a dedicated touring mode designed specifically for long-distance travel. Regenerative braking, active aerodynamics, and torque vectoring ensure that this isn't just fast, it's planted, safe, and exhilarating to drive. The 2026 Lamborghini Motorhome isn't a gimmick. It's a serious contender in the world of luxury mobility. It redefines what it means to travel in style, offering supercar performance, opulent living, and cutting-edge technology in one stunning package. For those who dare to dream, Lamborghini has turned that dream into a roaring, road-dominating reality. This is the future of luxury travel, and it's wearing a Raging Bull badge.